on the part and it's red, and on the side it's red and white stuff that needs to be started on.
Oh yeah, you could.
What do you think?
Yes? No?
Wow, and it working before.
Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
Not to you. What pen? It's in the left jacket. She wouldn't kiss me. Christine's going. That's good, Em.
He's David. Oh, Mandy.
Hey, I'm not picking my
Is that
nose,
your
it's just
school camera?
going to my brain.
Yeah.
What is
Ham, turkey, turkey.
Did she tell you about the thing she got?
Christine, Emily, Bradley.
Yeah.
Well, that's all nice.
It's a little boy, his name is Bobby,
And he's doing
and
this.
he's a real squirt, and he's going like this, and he's going, I'm not picking my nose.
Let me show you.
And it says light. Oh no, now it
Don't
doesn't.
worry about that.
Hi y'all.
Hi!
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Snuck out the candle.
Hey Lisa.
Hi, Mindy.
Let's see your plate there, Lisa. Okay.
Yeah, you got that figured out.
Yay!
All right, now what do I do? Just push the back button?
You like that stuff?
To turn it off, push
Uh-huh.
the back button.
That's the one you're gonna hit?
Is that the only one Lisa had?
I hope not. No.
Here's Grandma's tree. Oh, it's pretty, pretty, pretty.
But what? Here, Papa, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear out
And
the front
we have
to
just
the back.
Oh, is that how
a
I'm gonna
few
do it?
presents this year.
Front to the back.
So actually, at least I'll come first.
So Lisa won't come first. Now listen, Bradley. But what if I wanted to go around to the back of the tree and get a present and do it now?
I know which one would come out.
Papa and Bradley are trying to
You don't
decide
wanna do
how the
that.
presents will be distributed.
Well,
Did you look,
okay.
what you do with
yeah.
that tape a
But-
while ago? I need to stick this
Oh,
tape.
You can wait and do that last.
Get on with it.
It's laying right on the
Just
microwave.
Papa, you're the head chief now. Go.
No.
Go get it.
Now wait a minute.
No, but you have to hand it to me. You can't look at the first present. It's the first present. The first present of Christmas. Oh man, this present.
Boo.
Boo.
Come here.
He wants
Now.
to be with the action.
Okay.
And there's the official
To
Christmas
Roy
dog.
from David and Lisa. Hey, Boo, lay down.
You gotta lay still now, boo.
Thanks. I'll wait till everybody gets one.
No.
Yes, that's the way we do it, Bradley.
Oh, there's David. David's typing. Yes, and Roy got the first present, but he's waiting.
He's no. Here's how we do it. We get.
Kids, come on.
Where's Emily?
Where's the Christmas
I don't know. We always have the Christmas music on.
Just to those sleigh bells.
It's ringling, ring, ting, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Oh, a black dog.
Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Emily.
Hey, Em.
Missy shoots him in the camera.
Emily, what'd you get?
Emily, who is that?
Who is it, Em?
Straight up. You can shoot. Fire it straight up, Brandon. Fire it straight up.
Open it up, Christine.
The gunfight is on.
Oh, there's our Christmas music. Look at there.
Mom, there's a case.
Ooh.
What is it, Brad?
A Game Boy.
Was that Christine?
Yes.
Christine, what you get?
I don't even
got
have
it.
to-
A leather jacket. What's
Well, you
that?
can't play Tetris.
There's jingle bells on there, Christine. On the demo.
Tecmo.
Christine, look on the demo songs. There's jingle bells on the red buttons. That's Ode to Joy. Good.
Pocket jingle bell.
What'd you get there, bud? Buddy. 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 What's that in that box right there? It's just like somebody else's. On the floor.
On the floor.
Bradley,
Look here.
right here.
It's just like someone
Just like somebody
else's.
Look. Look for rescuers.
He can't point to it, Marianne.
Can I open my boxes
They're
now?
hidden. Yes.
Who are those like?
Uncle David.
Uncle David.
Mommy. Give me this.
What?
There were those two red boxes.
Oh.
Oh, and one
Papa,
of
you have got to see this.
What?
I'll show you in just a
Ready.
minute. I'll show you what it does.
Merry Christmas, Ron.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
What?
Merry Christmas, David.
Father to be.
Oh, look!
That's inevitable.
What?
Mommy, what's
The
scream?
least expensive thing.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Mommy,
I know.
what's scream?
You have to throw a bomber outside.
I heard. That's enough.
Emily opened her package too.
It's more Barbie junk.
Barbie junk.
It's not.
I'm one.
Mom.
Brad, put them boots on. I want to see your feet.
Bradley, put your boots on.
Mommy, can I open this?
Uh-huh. Bradley, put on your boots. I want to get a picture of you. Just take those out.
Where?
Feel down in the toes. There may be some tissue down there.
I have that. Oh, boy,
Yeah.
it's fuzzy hair. I'm taking that down to Boone for the gunfight.
All right.
Shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Come on, Brad, model for me.
Go get this to your dad. Hey.
There's a side in there.
Where's the other dad? Dad.
Look here.
Look here, Bradley. Hee-haw, man.
These are my boots for the gunfight.
Yeah, let's
They
wear out
even
of the pack.
fit
David, watch it.
I got that one on tape.
Grandma. Grandma. Where's your hat?
That's
Look
still
at
in
your
her.
hair.
What hat?
The green
I gotta get one of these.
You can do it in the car on the way up there.
Okay, okay. Don't let me forget it now.
Nice boots, Brad.
Mom, but look.
Bradley, I'll do it on the way up there, okay?
And this is a baseball game too.
Wow.
This is one of
I
our
mean, not a baseball game, a Nintendo.
Heart and Soul, isn't it? Yeah.
But look, I got a
Yeah, now you
It's a different version.
I'll take that.
Is that for me? Leaving that with me?
No. And where's one?
Oh, is that a collar?
And how to.
Isn't
And
bad.
Ryan
That's
did.
great, Christine.
This is 3
Emily, let me
baseball
see.
games.
Is it?
What is
Here's
this?
the Mocha cookies.
Let me see your car.
Woo! Papa, he hasn't gotten to that yet.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, wow.
Cool, man.
Bradley, have you found the milk and cookies yet?
The what?
Milk and cookies.
Here.
It's like, I'm busy.
Where are my dishes?
Try on your windsuit, Brad.
Here.
Look, a typewriter. Oh, cool. It's a typewriter.
Where are my dishes? that we left out for Santa?
Down.
Grandma, I think you might have took them.
Whoa, $1!
Look at it.
Look at it.
Look at the dollar.
Santa dollar.
Santa dollar.
Let's see, Em. How neat.
How neat.
Hey, boy, you're making a mess.
How'd you get that? Here they are.
Why don't you look at the rest of your stuff?
David.
Mommy, look.
And David now will go and be sure that the Casio is working
A Santa
properly.
dollar. I've never seen such.
Mommy,
Is it legal,
isn't
Tender?
she
Yeah,
pretty?
it is. It is.
Here's
But
the
who'd
ring
wanna
there.
spend it?
Look, he has a fur.
he has a fur, Mom.
Watch what they do. Yeah, okay. Never mind. That'll work. Look what I got.
How neat.
Christine?
Well, Bradley
seen
got
you put
one
something on yet.
too. Well, that's not your stocking.
Papa. What?
Pull the thing back. And now it's air loaded. The yellow handle you have in your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull
And
back.
this is your mother-in-law,
Here
dear.
it goes. Wait, let me get it.
That's my stocking.
Okay.
Mommy!
It's how you-
Aim up just a little.
Look at there.
Santa door stocking!
Oh, there's more than one.
Santa dollar!
Pull it all the way back.
You see the...
Santa dollar.
Emily, I'm not going to take all this stuff out of there right now.
Mommy!
Ignoring me. What?
Mommy!
What?
Oh, cool!
He got a Santa dollar.
Neat. Everybody's getting Santa dollars.
Papa, look! Let's just dump the foot out.
I just put the candy back in there. You don't want candy. Everything else, everything in here is candy.
Ooh, the Addams
Look
family!
here. Look here.
Creepy, the cookie, the spooky, the ookie. Where'd you get the Addams family?
Cool.
The Addams family. Mom, look what I got. You tried to put these little balls in the hole.
All right. Neat.
Boy, y'all got a big
Eight
stocking.
Disney movie cards.
Oh, man. I just thought of something.
What?
All this little Disney
Mom, look
stuff.
at part of it.
I don't want to go anywhere.
What's that, Christine?
All right.
Christine.
Yes.
Christine, look. Let me see what it says.
You see? Did you see what's
Let me
in
see
there?
what it says.
Mommy, look.
Hey, Bradley.
A new wallet. And I can put my Santa dollar in it.
What's that, Emily?
Christine.
Bradley. When you want
Yeah,
something.
Santa dollar.
Look here. Look at your
Hold
daddy.
up your
Look at
little
your daddy. Look at his
collar.
face.
That is so pretty.
Let's see, Em.
Christine, you are going to love this thing. Where'd you look?
That is beautiful, Emily.
Read over here.
Hang on, my Santa dollar.
Your Santa dollar, isn't it? Maybe there, right behind you.
I'm gonna put it in my wallet.
Put it in your wallet.
Where's Papa?
So cute. Is that,
Papa's is over there. He's recording.
is that the same? What is that called?
Mom, look.
A face only a mother could love.
Yeah. Is it Bouffant Bear?
A Bouffant bear.
Bouffant bear.
Bouffant bear.
Bouffant Bear.
A Game Boy. I want to keep that for sure.
Okay.
Rory. Have some solitaire.
Mommy, look at that cup down there. Mom, look at my cup and my
Where's your
sticky
bracelet?
bag.
Wow. Neat. It's in the box. It's a little pot.
Get your baby, Christine. Get your bumpy baby there.
Have you drawn on that yet, Brad? You made a copy?
Yeah? I made two.
Write Merry Christmas on it.
Mom, where are you
It's
putting
paper
on
underneath
plant? Where are you planning on putting this?
Oh, I got a little bunny.
Uh-oh.
That's all right.
My hand is there.
That's all right.
That'll come out on my
It's in there. It's right.
Mindy.
Doesn't it? Mine's cinnamon.
You don't put on your
I
bracelet.
mean, this is my ring.
Alright.
Because the bracelet is a little tight and I'm afraid I'll break the chain. So I'm not going to put it on just yet.
What's neat?
It's recipe cards and it says a favorite recipe from Barbara Crouch.
Oh.
Isn't that neat? Yeah, I'm working to it. That's another one of those things that I didn't know whether to give you or not. I mean, it's funny how this happens at Christmas.
It sucks up the lines like that.
No, it's alright. You're doing
You're
good.
supposed to go like that. You're supposed to have a gun to table. It doesn't matter.
Go ahead and play a tune for us, David. Show us how much you learned this morning.
Oh, I suppose.
I mean, you can't play Jingle Bells.
Oh, something like that.
Really?
Oh, Dad. His fingers aren't even moving.
Man, with one lesson. He's really working that thing.
I'm not gonna copy. What'd you get, Christine? I'll trade you places. And look what you got.
Oh, Christine, it'll run off the cigarette lighter to them.